IELTS speaking practice, leisure time activities and hobbies. Question 1. Examiner. What do you do in your leisure time? To be honest, I can rarely find any spare time for myself because of my studies. But if I have any, listening to music and going to the gym are the most interesting free time activities for me. To be honest means frankly speaking. And rarely means seldom, not often. Free time activity. Free time is the time that you don't have to work or study and you can do whatever you want. And activity is the thing you do. So free time activity is the thing you do in your free time. For example, watching movies is my free time activity. Question 2. Examiner. Do you have any hobbies? To tell you the truth, I'm crazy about shopping, and I spend most of my time in different shopping centers in my city, even if I'm on a tight budget to buy expensive things. And going to the gym is another hobby. I have to stay in shape, so I do it almost 3 days a week, along with my friends and sometimes alone. To be crazy about something or someone means to be very interested in something or love someone very much. You know that I'm a movie maniac and I'm crazy about watching movies. His name is Hamid Behdad and he is an Iranian actor. And I'm crazy about him. To be on a tight budget is an idiom which means you have just a small amount of money for planned spending, so you cannot buy unnecessary things. So when I say I'm on a tight budget, it means I have just a little amount of money and I shouldn't waste it. Expensive means having a high price or costing a lot of money. Wow, this jewel is very expensive. To stay in shape means to keep fit or to be in a good physical form. I run for an hour every day to stay in shape. Question 3. Examiner. Do you prefer to watch or play sports? Well, although I'm a little bit lazy nowadays and most of the jobs that I do are sedentary, but I really love playing sports. I like to be active and I like to participate in sports that make me fresher. Unfortunately, I seldom find any free time for that. But if I was supposed to make a choice, I would definitely prefer playing sports. Sedentary jobs or sedentary activities require much sitting without any physical movement or activity. For example, watching TV or playing computer games. These are sedentary activities, which can cause obesity or weight gain. To participate in something means to take part in something. For example, to participate in a class, to participate in a game, or to participate in a sport. Playing sports make me fresher. If something makes you fresher, it means it makes you feel better. You feel more lively. Question 4. Examiner. Have you given up anything you used to do in your free time? Yes, there are many activities like swimming, hiking, or bike riding that I used to do before, and they were my free time activities. But nowadays, I'm so busy to do them anymore, and I'm more involved in sedentary activities. We say used to plus infinitive to talk about a past situation that is no longer true. It tells us that there was a repeated action or state that has now changed. She used to be a long-distance runner when she was younger. I used to play chess. It means I don't do it anymore. I did it before. Being involved in something means having a part in something or being a part of something. That night, she was involved in the murder. or the family were involved in Jewish culture. So, in simple words, being involved means to be included in something. Question 5. Examiner. Which other hobbies or sports would you like to try? I'm really fond of trying deep diving in Dubai. It's a kind of hobby that has become popular recently, and there are not many people who have tried it, but I think it can be absolutely exciting. It's very expensive, I've heard, and I think it is worth doing that once. I'm really fond of trying deep diving. To be fond of something means to love something very much. I'm very fond of ice skating. It is worth it or it is worth doing it. We use these two structures to say that something is very enjoyable or useful despite the fact that you have to make an effort. It was a long climb to the top of the hill, but the view from the top was really worth it. Question 6. Examiner. Tell me about a popular form of public entertainment in your country. It may be interesting to hear, but something that is very popular as a kind of entertainment in my country is shopping, and most of the times, window shopping. To be honest, people take advantage of any time to get around different shopping centers and they spend much time there. And the other favorite activity among my people is going on a picnic whenever it's not rainy or cold. Window shopping. Window shopping. I'm sure you're acquainted with this word. You are either a woman or you deal with women. And women are next level at window shopping. So it is the act of looking at the goods displayed in shop windows, especially without intending to buy anything. Hi. Hi. I heard you're talking about shopping. Yes, we are. Oh, shopping. My favorite way to spend the day and relieve some stress. Do you know what's the difference between men and women in shopping? No, what is it?
They say men go shopping to buy what they want, but women go shopping to find out what they want.
Isn't it crazy? Yes, you're absolutely right. Totally right. Yeah. Nothing cheers a girl up like shopping. By the way, I'm going shopping. Do you think you'll be up for it? I would love to, but I'm teaching. Sorry. Okay, bye. Have fun. People take advantage of any time to get around different shopping centers. Take advantage of something means to make a good use of something. For example, to take advantage of an opportunity. We took advantage of the warm weather and did some yard work. Imagine I'm staying at a friend's house, which has a very nice gym. So I say, I will take advantage of the sports facilities while I'm staying here. Question 7. Examiner. Can you describe a museum or gallery you have visited? Yes, it was about 4 years ago when I saw an advertisement about a painting exhibition, and that was supposed to be held in Millat Park. It was really interesting to visit that because there were all works of disabled painters. So I went there on the opening day, and it was really worth the time and the money I spent there because there were some marvelous paintings representing art and beauty. Advertisement. Advertisement, I'm sure you know this word. It's a picture, a short film, or a song that tries to persuade people to buy a product or a service. Exhibition. Exhibition is an event at which objects, for example, photographs, sculptures, cars, or paintings, are shown to public. They are shown to people. Crowds of people flocked to see the Picasso exhibition. Painting exhibition was supposed to be held in Mellat Park. To be held means to happen or to take place. For example, the party will be held at the Grand Hotel. Disabled refers to people or painters who have physical or mental condition that limits their movements, their senses, or their activities. After that terrible accident, he became severely disabled. Opening day is the first day or the day scheduled for a place, for example, a store, a company, or a gallery, to be open and to start giving services. Marvelous. Marvelous is an adjective which means extraordinary and causing great wonder. These marvelous technological tools are fun to play with. And the last word is represent. Paintings were representing art and beauty. Represent means to show or to be a symbol of something. Red roses represent love. I have a question. Look at this painting. This painting is by Vincent van Gogh. Its name is Starry Night. Now you tell me, what does this painting represent? You should say, it represents blah blah. Write in the comments below.